Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a single, strong hook for the first 3 seconds. That's your retention engine. Once done, frame vertical at 9:16 and shoot in 1080x1920 so it fits automatically. Make sure to capture clear audio with a lavalier or phone mic and position soft light for faces. Then film a simple 3-beat storyboard. Hook, build, payoff. You record multiple takes quickly. Choose the tightest one and move straight into rough edits while memory is fresh. You now shift into editing where timing wins. First, trim relentlessly. Remove pauses and aim for 15 to 30 seconds unless longer pacing is essential. Once trimmed, use jump cuts and speed ramps to maintain momentum and add a single bold graphic overlay for emphasis. Make sure captions match syllables and highlight the hook with an audio cue. Then layer royalty-free music at low volume, ducking under the voice. Export a high bitrate MP4 and preview on your phone to confirm cadence and clarity. You finish by writing a clear title and adding 3 to 5 tags plus one strong hashtag to reach the right audience. Once done, pick a thumbnail frame that shows expression or action. Make it bold and legible at thumb size. Upload and choose a time you've tested for your audience, then watch retention metrics for the first hour. If retention drops in the first 5 seconds, replace hook clip and loop. Troubleshooting tip: if audio pops or is muffled, replace audio track with a clean take or use a noise gate and export again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.